guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Rugged Liner's rear wheel well liners, and with Rugged Liner we have Todd Lindblade. How you doing, Todd?
Doing well, Stephen. Good to see you.
Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
So Todd, in today's video we kind of want to cover a few major topics. The first is going to be the product itself, how it's made, where it's made, what's it for, that type of thing. Then we'll get into the installation aspects, talk about how long this takes to do, how difficult it is, and the process involved in making that happen. Okay. So with that out of the way, let's talk about the product itself. Give us the full story there.
So all of our wheel well liners are manufactured in the U.S. in our production facility based in Owasso, Michigan. They're manufactured with a high-density polyethylene. It's a durable material that's going to stand up to the dents, dings, and scratches that you'll face when your tires are kicking up road debris. So anytime you see a painted surface in that wheel well, it's a good idea to cover it up and give it a little bit of protection. And these wheel well liners are fairly easy to install and do a great job of protecting the investment into your truck.
Perfect. Now, what type of warranty do you offer on the product, if any?
Wheel well liners carry a lifetime warranty.
Okay. Perfect. Now with that said, let's get into more of the nitty-gritty of the installation. Sure. So how does that process look? Do we use our existing hardware? Do you provide hardware? And give us the time scale and the difficulty rate.
Sure. So you can remove or keep the wheel installed. I prefer to keep the wheel installed, but if you've got a jack and a tire iron and have a few extra minutes, take the wheel off. It'll be a little bit easier for you to install, sure, but you don't necessarily need to take it off. I'd say it's about a 5 out of 10. Okay. Take you about 30 minutes to install both sides. Don't be afraid to bend that wheel well liner. You're going to want to bend it into position. You're going to want to tuck it around the inner wheel well edge. And then we're going to give you some hardware, and on occasion you use existing hardware from the truck to install the wheel well.
Perfect. Simple enough. Yep. So guys at home, with a 5 of 10, we do think you can do this on your own in a pretty quick order. But if you have any questions or hesitations or problems doing this yourself, as always, look below the video for a description. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to make this install happen for you. Alright, so that's a wrap on Rugged Liner's rear wheel well liners. Before we go though, Todd, thank you for coming in today.
Absolutely, thanks for having me, Steve.
It's been a great pleasure. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address this for you there. If you just want more details, check below the video in the description. We'll have a part number, but also again, that dealer locator, so you can find this product in a dealer in your area, but also have it installed. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.